Now this little lens is the Lumix 42.5 1.7, and it's an absolute unbelievable lens for the money. The quality is absolutely fantastic, and if you can hear that little rattle, it's because this also has stabilization built into the lens. And as soon as electricity goes through it, as soon as it's powered on, that will lock in place and it won't rattle. So don't be put off by that rattle, because it's supposed to be like that. You can just see by the form factor, it's so unassuming. And this is perfect for portraits. It's that great focal length to get really, really nice portraits on people. And this will get you really nice, clean images. So great for wedding videographers or street photographers that want to get those kind of images or videos. And as you can see, really quite petite, but comes with the lens hood, and that makes it a bit more of a normal sized lens, a little bit more. The focus is focused by wire, but the autofocus in these lenses is really, really quick, and it works very effectively, especially if you've got one of the more modern Micro Four Thirds cameras. So I would tend to always start with autofocus and then make fine adjustments with this. The lens body is metal, the lens hood is plastic, and it has a 37mm front thread, which just shows how small this lens really is. So this lens, what's really useful about it is that this doesn't take up really any room in your bag, so there's no reason for me not to carry this. So I can just slip it in a pocket, slip it in my bag easily, and then have that extra lens if I need it for portraits or something like that. So a great extra lens to have, and it can fit in a very small space. That easily goes in a pocket, doesn't it? I've had no regrets with this lens. Very, very happy, and I've had this for, I think, about 3 years now, and it's never let me down.